Today, we are going to show you how to pair your GPSMAP H1i Plus satellite communicator with the Garmin Explore app. We will be using an Android smartphone, but the process is the same on Apple devices. Pairing your GPSMAP H1i Plus satellite communicator with the Garmin Explore app will allow your data to sync between your device, the Explore app, and the Explore website. Please see our other videos on using the available maps and creating your next adventure with the Garmin Explore app for more information. Begin by turning your GPSMAP H1i Plus on. Select the menu button in the lower left. Then select Settings, followed by Connectivity. Select Bluetooth. Now select Pair with Explore. Scan the on-screen QR code with your compatible smartphone's camera. For existing customers, scanning this code will open the Garmin Explore app and begin searching for your device. For new customers, scanning this code will open your compatible smartphone's app store. Then install the Garmin Explore app. Open the app once it is installed. A short tutorial will display. When ready, select Get Started. Next, you can sign in or create an account. In this video, we have activated our GPSMAP H1i Plus on the Iridium network and will be signing into our inReach account. Select Sign In. For help activating your GPSMAP H1i Plus satellite communicator, see our activation video. Then, agree to the End User License Agreement and select Next at the bottom. Now, enter your account credentials, then select Next. Select Enable Cloud Storage if you would like your data to sync to your online account. Selecting Not Now will not back up your data to your account. Review the features preview, then select Done. Then, allow the Garmin Explore app to find nearby devices. Agree to allowing the Garmin Explore app to send you notifications. Allow the Garmin Explore app access to your GPSMAP H1i Plus device. Next, you can allow the Garmin Explore app access to your smartphone's notifications. Finally, the Garmin Explore app would like access to your smartphone's location. Select Manage Permissions. Then, select Allow while using app. Now, select the Devices tab at the bottom. Your GPSMAP H1i Plus will appear here. Your GPSMAP H1i Plus satellite communicator is now paired to the Garmin Explore app and can use all the features available.